Haldia Loom या BP Poddar. I think that Haldia Institute of Technology is better in terms of placement. No, I heard that BP Poddar have a good location. But yeah, लेकिन Haldia have a average placement is good. Okay. So hey guys, are you in these type of doubts? So I think that this video is very important for you. Okay. So in this video, I will give the detailed comparison between the Haldia Institute of Technology that is situated in Haldia and BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology that is in Kolkata. Okay. So I will give you the complete comparison between these two colleges, that what is the cutoff of these college, what is the placement scenario of these college, average CTC, company visited. Okay, beside that, about the location, should I choose according to the campus? Yeah, means according to the campus, which college should I choose? So these type of detail I will give you in this college, this video. Okay. So first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support and subscribe my channel, because you will get these type of college comparison, college review, college pros and cons, beside that campus tour, then variety of content you will get in this. Beside this, in coming days you will also get variety content such as the how should we do in college, means what are the precautions that we should take inside the college. So these type of video will be coming in later too. Okay. So let us move to our video without our time. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us move. So as I have said that I will make comparison between the Haldia Institute of Technology and BP Poddar. So what about these colleges? Which college should I choose? Okay, so let us move to the parameters, because you know, if you have watched my earlier video, then before making any comparison I make some parameters, depending on which I will decide that which college should I choose or which college should I not choose. Okay. So these are the some parameters on the basis of which I will make comparison. First is the location wise, which college should I choose. Campus, is it the Haldia campus good or the BP Poddar. Placement, cutoff, infrastructure, whatever the final means NR ranking, fee structure of these college. Okay. And at last I will give my final opinion that what will I do if I will present at your position. Okay. अगर भाई मैं आपकी जगह होता, then what will I do? Should I choose the Haldia or BP Poddar? So I will give at last. Okay. So first you must watch the video from beginning to end. Okay, because if you miss any part, then you will face confusion, and this is the question of your career. So you must watch the video till the end. So first parameter that I have already mentioned, that established and location. So when these colleges are established and what about the location of these college. So these are the some details about the Haldia Institute of Technology and BP Poddar. That Haldia Institute of Technology was established in 1996 and BP Poddar just after 3 years later, that is the 1999. Okay. And talking about the location, so Haldia Institute of Technology is situated in Haldia and the BP Poddar situated in Kolkata, that is the famous and prominent city in India too. Okay. So in terms of location, you can clearly visualize that BP Poddar is far behind and Haldia. Okay. Because why in Haldia you will just have a means a nominal type of location, not much more. But yeah, that's have a good campus that I will discuss in later. Okay. But so in terms of location, somehow BP Poddar is leading. Moving to next, that is very important. What about the campus of these? Okay, so Haldia have best and marvelous campus, that is the 37 acre. So you can assume that how much the valuable campus in this. Okay, but in BP Poddar just good, means just a little campus. I think that low means lower than the 5 acre. Okay. So guys, for your kind information, let me say that I have already made the pros and cons of these two colleges too. Besides that, I have already made the college review, means particularly on Haldia and BP Poddar, detailed college review. Okay, so you can also watch that video if you have any doubt regarding that. Okay, it's particular review. Okay, but I am doing in this just comparison. So if you want the particular review, then you can go through all that video. Okay, so in terms of campus, Haldia is far behind, means far leading. Okay. Moving to next section, that is very important, placement. So what about the placement of this college? Should I choose the Haldia or should I choose BP Poddar? Because you know na, the main and ultimate goal of every student to get placed into good MNCs, good company. Okay. So what about the placement? Okay. And every student bought a good placement and with a more than average CTC. Okay. So let me tell you about the placement. So these are the sub placement data of this Haldia Institute of Technology and BP Poddar. So in terms of placement, more than 85% in CSC, that is in for the Haldia, and 50% core branches. Okay, so as you know that I have already mentioned that core branches have not much or good scope in WJE college, but yeah, if you have a potential, if you have a strength, then you will certainly get into company, because I have already made a video on that. Branch can't decide your career, branch can't decide that in which company you will face, means in which company you will be placed, so that can't be decided by your branch. So branch doesn't matter, but yeah, some things matter, but not much more. Okay, so BP Poddar in terms of CSC, it is little bit higher than Haldia, that 87% in CSC, since it is situated in the Kolkata, that is the famous city. Okay, and 55 to 60% in core branches as usual. Okay, average package for Haldia is little bit higher, that is 4.3 to 4.6, and BP Poddar is 3.7 to 4.0. Talking about the company that is visited, so in Haldia, TCS, Wipro, Grave, Infosys, Cognizant, sorry, Persistence, BMW, Accenture. So variety of company visit in this Institute of Technology. And similarly in BP Poddar, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Cognizant, TCS, तो वही सब जगह आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, so TCS will visit almost every, okay, because that is the mass recruiting company. Okay, so somehow in terms of placement wise, BP Poddar is lagging. Okay, in terms of average package, but total placement BP Poddar is leading. Okay, moving to next section, that is the cutoff. What about the cutoff of these college? Because you know na, cutoff, if you have not any valid cutoff, then how can you get inside any college? So let me show you the cutoff of these two colleges. So Haldia Institute of Technology for CSC cutoff range start from 631 go up to 8636. Note that I am talking about the round 3 cutoff. Okay, so this is the round 3 cutoff for the CSC. This year there may be variation of plus 500 because JOSA counseling will also held parallelly, so this may vary, but this was the cutoff of the earlier. Okay, chemical engineering can clearly visual that cutoff range start from 5826 and goes up to 36,000. IT, it starts cutoff range start from 6604 and go up to 13,000. But if you have a rank means up to 14,000, you can easily get into this college. Talking about the BP Poddar Institute of Technology, that what about the cutoff of these? So for CSC, if you have a valid rank under the 4,816 and up to 14,413, then yeah, you can easily get placed into this college. Okay, so make sure to give the priority in the proper order. That first you must choose the BP Poddar. If you want a good in number of placement, then you must put the BP Poddar CSC, then Haldia CSC. Okay, but depending on that, if you want a good campus, then you must choose the Haldia CSC, and then after that other. Okay, so this is all about the cutoff. You can take the screenshot too. Moving to next, that what about the infrastructure? So in terms of infrastructure, not much more difference, but just a little bit difference. That is the Haldia have a moderate and BP Poddar is a good in terms of infrastructure. Okay, so in infrastructure wise, both are almost same. You can't decide that. Okay, now hostel. So whether hostel is present or not. So yeah, Haldia have a hostel, but BP Poddar have a no hostel. So if you are especially a girl candidates and searching for a good college, having the hostel with a good campus with a good placement, then Haldia may be your best option. Okay, because you know the girls have means face difficulty in terms of the hostel. That okay, boys have no means not any much because they can easily get PG and other mess in BP Poddar too and Haldia too. Okay, but yeah, in Haldia also there is a girls but not much secure. Okay, so I suppose you to that take the hostel if you are a girls candidate. Okay, so that is the Haldia Institute of Technology and BP Poddar. Moving to next very important section, that what about the fee structure of this college? Okay, because you know fee structure is very important for any student. So let me show you the fee structure of this college. So for Haldia Institute of Technology for the BTech, you have to pay 1.18 lakh for the first year fee. Okay, and for the you can say the BP Poddar Institute of Technology, you have to pay similarly 1.15 lakh, means little bit lower than the Haldia Institute of Technology, but yeah, means almost same fee structure, so you can't get comparison. Means I'm just giving the detail here. Okay, so that not it means it doesn't make any big difference too. Okay, moving to next very important section, NRF ranking. So what about the NRF ranking of these college? So Haldia in 2020 it have a good NRF ranking, means it is under the band range of 151 to 200. That is good. Okay, and BP Poddar is 201 in 2021. Okay, so somehow Haldia have a good NRF ranking, but NRF ranking doesn't matter much more. Okay, because these are NRF ranking actually a national level ranking that is defined by various criteria and condition. So since Haldia have a good campus, so and also good research work, so yeah, that is a good. Okay, moving to last and very important section, conclusion. भाई कहना क्या चाह रहे भाई? You have already said the all detail about the placement and location wise campus. Okay, so what actually you want to say? That which college should I prefer, Haldia or BP Poddar? Sorry. Okay, so what should I choose, Haldia or BP Poddar? So I am giving you one condition, that if you are planning for a college having a good location but a little bit low campus, okay, and want to be enjoy a full college life, then you must choose the BP Podar Institute of Technology. I'm giving you the reason. First reason that it have a good location. So if you are want having a music visit something, means if you want to watch a match, okay, means international match, or if you want to enjoy some good cafeteria and other things, then that will help you, okay. But campus life is zero. So if you are focused in a campus life, then you must choose the Haldia. And placement to all somehow both have a same, so you can, in terms of placement, can't make much difference, okay. So this is all about my final opinion. I hope guys your doubt regarding these two colleges is clear. But if still you have any doubt regarding the WEI counseling or anything about these colleges or other, then you can personally contact me. You can join my Instagram, okay. If you want the counseling from me, then you can personally contact me, okay. And if you want the management quota, means if you want to get into these colleges through management quota, then you can also contact me too, okay. So finally guys, this is all about the video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe the video, okay. Till then, bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.